Alright, I'm inside the Visual Studio Code. In this video, we're going to update the card details view template. So let's begin. Let's open the card details.component.html. And if you scroll down, within the T body, we have 3 columns. So in the last column, we have this div with a class row. And inside this, I'm going to create 3 div. And each div takes up 4 blocks. So we're going to add a class column minus md minus 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is equivalent to 12. And within the first div, we're going to add a button. And inside the button, we're going to add a font awesome icon, which is plus icon. So we're going to make use of the class FAS FA minus plus. And for the button, I'm going to add a class BTN minus primary. And we're going to add BTN minus SM, which is button small. And I will also add float minus left. So I want this button to be left aligned. And I'm going to take a copy of this button. So let's copy this. And inside the last div, we're going to paste it. And then we're going to change the bits that are required. So I'll just change this to minus. We need a minus icon. And I'll set this to float minus right. I want this button to be right aligned. So, and within the middle div, I'm going to add the quantity. So I'm going to take a copy of this cart item dot quantity. So let's cut this and paste it. So let's save this. And now if you take a look at the browser, and let's add a few items to the cart. And if you click on this status, you can see now we have a plus icon and minus icon, and within the plus and minus icon we have the quantity. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add remove icon to remove the book. Okay, so let's go back to our Visual Studio Code. If you scroll up, and we have this quantity text. So I'm going to add a span element. Let me format this, give me a second. So within the span, we're going to add the font awesome icon. We're going to add the class, which is FAS FA minus trash minus alt. And to the span, we're going to add a class float minus right. So I want this icon to be right aligned, and I'm going to add text minus danger. So this should display in a red color. So let's go back to our browser and let's add a few items to our cart. And if you look at the cart details, we have this delete icon. But right now, these buttons will not do anything because we have not wired up the click events. So in the next video, we're going to wire up the click events to these icons. So that is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video.